On the right side is where you can hear the sounds of bullets, and the shooting is going on over there on this side. Yesterday the same thing, there was a lot of shooting, but now the shooting has started again, and 8 people were shot yesterday. So let's see if we can go a little bit more inside. You can see this a sort of a bomb pipe which is being set up just like something makeshift, and it used to shoot. And here, this is the bunker. Right now there's a shooting going on, sporadic shots, and they're shooting from some different sides as we speak. The person is now in Ras Medicity now, and our press team, my friend here, Meitei Leepun, he gave basic first aid to the injured person today.